If you ever see an animal with a giant droopy nose that looks completely fake, don't panic or laugh at it. That strange nose actually works like a built-in air filter, cleaning dust in the summer and warming icy air in the winter.
Bro, what kind of creature is that? Why would an animal evolve a nose that looks like a mini vacuum cleaner?
Before I explain, if you love discovering rare wildlife, hit like and subscribe. If you love animals, this is actually called the Saiga antelope, and that weird oversized nose is the secret to surviving the extreme grasslands of Central Asia.